Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. In this video we are going to study area of trapezium. That is practice set 15.3. Now figure of trapezium is like this. Here definition also I tell you here. Now it is trapezium. Out of two pairs, one pair is parallel. Now here you see, if I give name ABCD, then here AB is parallel to DC. One pair is parallel and second pair is non-parallel. Then that quadrilateral is called trapezium. Now area of trapezium is equal to, formula of area of trapezium is equal to half multiplied by sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides multiplied by height. It is the formula to find area of trapezium. Now let's see example based on area of trapezium. Example 1 is, in a trapezium, if distance between parallel sides is 6 cm. Distance between parallel sides means that is the height. Height here 6 cm and lengths of parallel sides are 7 and 8 respectively. So one side parallel 7 and second 8 cm. Find the area of trapezium. So all the values are given here. Now first write down formula. Area of trapezium is equal to half multiplied by sum of parallel sides multiplied by height is equal to half multiplied by. Now sum of parallel, which are parallels here, 7 and 8. Therefore their sum 7 plus 8 multiplied by height. Height is 6. That height means distance between two parallel sides is equal to half multiplied by. First do addition, 7 plus 8, 15 multiplied by 6. Now here we can reduce by 2 here. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. 15 multiplied by 3 and 15 threes are 45. It is area, that's why unit is square centimeter. Therefore area of trapezium is 45 square centimeter. Dear friends, let's start practice set 15.3. First example is, in quadrilateral ABCD, AB is 13, here AB is 13 centimeter, DC is 9 centimeter, AD is 8 centimeter. Now here AB and DC are two parallel sides and here is perpendicular, means it is height. AD is height. Now we can solve it. All values are given. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to, write first formula, half into sum of parallel sides multiplied by height. Half multiplied by. Now parallel sides are AB plus DC multiplied by height is AD, because here in this quadrilateral names are given to the segments. That's why we have to write their names first. And now put values. Half multiplied by AB is 13 plus DC is 9 bracket close multiplied by AD means height is 8. Half multiplied by, here do addition first. Addition is 22 multiplied by 8. Now by 2 you can reduce to 22 also and here also. Here if you reduce here 11s are, then 11 multiplied by 8, 11 8s are 88 square centimeter. Therefore we got answer here, area of quadrilateral ABCD, that is trapezium, is 88 square centimeter. Now let's see example number 2. It is very easy. Length of two parallel sides of trapezium are 8.5 and 11.5. These are two parallel sides and its height is 4.2. Find area. Therefore we can start directly from formula. Area of trapezium is equal to half multiplied by sum of parallel sides multiplied by height, half multiplied by, now parallel sides are given here 8.5 plus 11.5 multiplied by height is also there 4.2 is equal to half multiplied by, do addition, 11 plus 8 19, 19 plus this 1 20 multiplied by 4.2. now here reduction we can do, 2 ones are here, 10s are, 10 multiplied by 4.2, therefore it becomes now 42 square centimeter. Therefore at last area of trapezium is 42 square centimeter. Dear friends, now let's see last example, example number 3 of this practice set. PQRS is an isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium means non-parallel sides are congruent. If non-parallel sides of a quadrilateral or of a trapezium are equal, then that trapezium is called isosceles trapezium. It means here PS and QR are equal. PQ is 7, SM is given 3. Now here PM is height. From Q also we can draw height here. NI right there. Now you see here PQ and S are parallel and PM is height. Similarly QN is also height. Heights are same always. And if PM is height, QN is height, this is isosceles trapezium, then SM is equal to NR. SN is equal to NR. We get here SN is equal to NR, same. And here PQ is equal to MN. It is rectangle now, this one. If PQ 7, then MN also 7 we get. And by adding these 3 segments, we get SR, second parallel side. Now here we have to write all that given. Quadrilateral PQRS is an isosceles trapezium. It is isosceles trapezium. Seg PM is perpendicular on side SR. It is given here. PM is perpendicular on SR. It is given. I read given here. And we constructed QN is also perpendicular on side SR. Both are heights. And if both are heights, here PM and NR, PQ is parallel to SR. PQ is parallel to SR. These are parallel. Therefore, SM is equal to NR is equal to 3 centimeter. SM, NR, this SM 3, NR 3. And this quadrilateral becomes rectangle here, PQNM. And quadrilateral PQNM is a rectangle. If PQNM is rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Therefore, PQ is equal to MN. Therefore, PQ is equal to MN is equal to 7 centimeter. And now by adding these 3 segments, we get SR. That is second another parallel side. Now here we want SR. Therefore, SR is equal to SM plus MN plus NR. SR is equal to SM3 plus 7 plus 3. SR is equal to 13. In this way we got second parallel side. Now area. Therefore, area of quadrilateral PQRS, it is trapezium, half into sum of parallel sides, and parallel sides are PQ plus SR. Multiplied by height is PM. Put values now. Half multiplied by PQ 7, SR we got 13. and height is PM, it is given there 4. Half multiplied by 20 multiplied by 4. Now do reduction, 2 ones are here, 10s are. 10 multiplied by 4 is equal to 40 square centimeter. Therefore, area of quadrilateral means trapezium is 40 square centimeter. Dear friends, with this example we have completed practice set 15.3.